Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this JORGENSEN self-level laser, and what's absolutely amazing is, first thing is that it's a very budget-friendly device, and despite being very budget-friendly, it comes as a whole set, really nicely organized. You can see all the parts here, so we do not only get the 3-in-1 tool, but it comes also with a full-size tripod ready to be used. Absolutely amazing. And the tool itself makes an absolutely awesome impression. You can see it has even some decent protection here, drop protection on the side. And of course comes with the standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. And so we are not stuck with this tripod, even though it's a really nice one. It's just maybe not absolutely professional grade, but you can see super easy to be used with this clip design. This is my favorite design of tripods, and so we have really all the functions which we can expect from a normal tripod. We can move it left, right, up, down. We can secure it in all positions. We have even this like flap mode. We have even a level here on the side and even a crank to adjust the size. So we definitely cannot complain. Of course, it's rather small and not professional grade. We can feel that, but it's definitely working in most of the situations, I would say. We get also this additional mounting bracket, which you can use on metal. You can see, yeah, definitely solid hold. Also with a standard tripod screw. And the level has two different modes. We have an automatic mode, which is self-leveling up to 4 degrees, and we have a locked mode. It's not rechargeable, but we get even the batteries included in the set. And so the plus goes to the left side, minus to the right side here. You can see also the lid really solid made, and so we can remove the mounting bracket, for example here, secure it easily from underneath, then put it back on the tripod and secure it. And so now we are ready to use it. Just make sure that you're not pointing the laser portion here towards anybody, of course also not yourself. And so I've reduced the light a little bit so we can see everything better, and so I'm pushing this slider here to the front. This is the unlock slider. You can see how nicely this is working. Yeah, move the camera even a little bit further away so you can see when I move this self-leveling laser here a little bit up and down, you can see it always adjusts no matter what I'm doing. Of course, only when I'm staying within these 4 degrees. When I point it up too much, you can see now the laser is flashing, indicating that it was above 4 degrees. And when I point it down again, it will automatically self-level again. But of course, we can also use it in the manual mode. When I pull the slider back and long press here on top, it will turn on again, but now it's not self-leveling. I can do what I want. I can point it wherever I want, up and down, and of course even leaning like that in any angle, just to produce an absolutely straight line which you can follow to install some stuff. By the way, when we short press here, you can see the 3 different modes. The default mode is the crosshair. When I push, it shows only vertical. When I push again, horizontal, and then cycles back to the crosshair mode. And as you can see, the green laser, super strong, absolutely perfectly visible, and not only in almost complete darkness. I've opened the window and you can see now it's still super nicely visible here, even in normal daylight. Yeah, this JORGENSEN self-leveling laser is doing an absolutely amazing job here. Really nothing to feel about budget or so, working like a real pro. And I think because it's working so great, so reliable, could be also a nice gift for any home worker or so. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this laser, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.